Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making plantain samosa. Have you run out of breakfast idea? Then this video is for you. Stay tuned and enjoy the yummy delicious plantain in a different taste. So I'll be removing the peel of the plantain one after the other, and after that I will set aside, return to the onion I'll be using. I'll have to chop it, then unshell the egg in same plate with the onion, and then after that I will have to add seasoning cubes, salt, then my favorite black pepper, yes, Ghana black pepper to be precise. I will then whisk, after stirring. If you have a egg whisk, you can use your egg whisk, but if you don't, you can make use of your spoon. Then I whisk till I get it to this point. As you can see, whisk very well. After which I will set aside and return to the pot I'll be using for this. I'll then introduce vegetable oil into the pot, just small quantity, and then the plantain will follow suit. As you can see, I'm using plenty plantain. I love plantain. Then I'll allow it to fry a bit. Depending the how you want your plantain to be, I want it burnt. Then after, I will then add the egg on it, just like I'm doing now. Then I'll allow it to fry a bit. Let me seize this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, to you seeing this video to this moment. I love you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. If you're still contemplating whether to subscribe or not, please do subscribe, because you see this thing, it is for you. So you just turn it and this is what it will give you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.